Okay, somebody asked this question about number 4 on the quiz, chapter 9 quiz. And so we have this data right here representing the age and weeks at which babies first crawl on a survey of 12 mothers, right? The data is normally distributed uh, with an S of 9.529 weeks, and we are supposed to construct a 99% confidence interval. Okay, so this is nice because StatCrunch will do this for us. We just open the data in StatCrunch. There it is. And we can go to this is variance stats, right? It's not a mean or a proportion. So we just go to variance stats. It's one sample. And here we have the data. Sometimes we have the summary. So I just select the data here. And I want a 99%. They're asking for a 99% confidence interval. So I hit that and I hit compute. And it gives me the lower limit and the upper limit of the variance. The thing that you have to be careful here is in the answer, it actually wants to know about the standard deviation, right? And the relationship between the standard deviation and the variance is just that one's a square root of the other. So all I have to do is take the two answers I got. Here it is, okay. Take the two answers I got and square root them. So if I take the lower limit, I square root, I get 6, and they also want to round it to 3 places. And I do that, square root it, and round to 3 places, I get 6.11. If I take this number, square root it, and round to 3 decimal places, I get 19.589. Okay. And the last part is just choosing between the wording. And so, yeah, neither of these represent really what a confidence interval is, right? It's not a 99% chance that the true population will be in the interval. It's right. We say there's a 99% confidence that the population standard deviation is between these two numbers, which means if I take this technique that I've used to make the interval, 99% of the time, the interval will have the population in it, right? One time, one of my intervals is going to miss, but 99 of them out of 100 will catch the true population. Okay. So let me check the answer, make sure I'm right. All right. So I hope that helps on this one.